We're gonna go see the nursery now. Got it, Mama? Hey, oh no, 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 no. Go on. Come on. Ava, this way. This way? I don't understand that. Come on, this way. Come here. Cinderella's on tonight, babe. Inside Out. It's good. That's my next movie that I'm gonna get. We're at the Buena Vista Theater. Yeah. Look at her. Ginge. Huh? Oh, here we go. Here's where you're gonna be. Oh, sure. Come on in. Come on. Go on. Go on. Here's where you're gonna be. Go on. Oh, she's gonna be shy. Oh my God.
Animals? You want to spread them back out on the mat? Okay, just square it all at once.
Wow. I'm impressed. Okay, I think she'll be all right. No Harry Bunny or she should buy. Ava. Oh, look at her smiles all around. You want to stay here? Oh, yeah, it's a dinosaur, but put it back on the table.
It goes on the table.
It goes on the table.